प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे दूसरे तरीके। तो चलिए पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं। अनार, अनार। आम, आम। बिल्ली, बिल्ली। पतंग, पतंग। तितली, तितली। टमाटर, टमाटर। समर, समर। उठ जाओ, सुबह हो गई है।
Wake up, it's the morning.
नाश्ता तैयार है।
Breakfast is ready.
अपने हाथ धो लो।
Wash your hands.
अपना मुंह धो लो।
Wash your face.
अपने दांत साफ रखो।
Brush your teeth.
जल्दी करो, देर हो रही है।
Hurry up, it's getting late.
अपना बैग तैयार करो।
Pack your bag.
अपने जूते पहन लो।
Wear your shoes.
स्कूल का वक्त हो गया है।
It's the time for school.
टीचर की बात गौर से सुनो।
Listen to your teacher carefully.
अपने दोस्तों से अच्छा सुलूक करो।
Be kind to your friends.
Now next is English alphabets. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for eagle. Eagle. F is for fish. Fish. Now next is wild animal names and pet animals name and sea animals name. First is wild animal name. Elephant. Elephant means hathi. Panda. Panda means panda. Lion. Lion means sher. Wolf. Wolf means bhediya. Fox. Fox means lomdi. Pet animals name. Cat. Cat means billy. Rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. God. God means bakri. Cow. Cow means गाय. Dog. Dog means kutta. Sea animals name. Turtle. Turtle means kachwa. Jellyfish. Jellyfish means jellyfish. Shark. Shark means shark. Whale. Whale means whale. Dolphin. Dolphin means dolphin. Now next is colors name. Red, red. Green, green. Blue, blue. White, white. Black, black. Purple, purple. Orange, orange.